Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about how can we find the perfect domain for our Shopify store or any website. People usually underestimate or overcomplicate the things when it comes to getting yourself a name for your brand, right? So in this video, I'm going to teach you two simple steps, literally just two simple steps by which you can get yourself a new domain that your brand needs. And this whole process is just going to take 5 minutes or less, depends on your speed. But this method have given me so much value. I have created so many stores and given them their names by using this exact strategy, which I'm going to share in this video. So if you are new and you're looking to get a strategy which gives you perfect brand names without brainstorming, then this video is for you. So let's start. So first of all, you need to come over to this website namemesh.com. Now NameMesh is not the regular name generator which you typically see in the Google results. This particular tool is combined with 20 plus generators and it does pretty good job. I always use this site. By the way, I'm not doing any promotion or any stuff, but I personally like this name generator. So basically what we are going to do after coming here is, first of all, we need a seed keyword. Now, what is a seed keyword? Now, for example, let's say I have a print on demand store around fishing niche. So fishing is going to be my seed keyword, right? Whatever category or whatever niche your store represents, fishing, camping, DIY, anything, right? So here I'm going to use fishing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply write fishing, the seed keyword in this box, and I'm going to click on generate. As soon as I click on generate, I just need to go back. There's a random pop-up which is an ad, so we can just cancel it out and come back to our main page. And here you can see there are so many results, tons of results, right? And this software has already categorized everything for you. So you can see the names which are short, which are new, which are extra, fun, mix. The best category which I recommend all of you guys to see is the SEO. Now these domains give you a SEO boost on your store when you use them. So I personally use this category only. So yeah, I also recommend you to do it. And this is one of the reasons why I use this particular tool, because it gives you this SEO category which most name generators don't give you. Now here, by looking, I find this particular name printfishing.com suits best for my print on demand fishing store, right? Because print fishing this is so much relevant and this is so good for my store. So I've made my mind that this is the domain I need. Now what I'm gonna do, this is the first step. Now what's the second step? Second step is you to go to Google and search for Google domains. Why Google domains? I'm gonna tell you in a minute. So after you go to Google domains, what you're gonna do is you just need to type the name, which is print fishing, right? So we are gonna click on here and we are going to search for print fishing. I'm just going to write the keyword, right? The name. And as you can see, it is available. So just a note, all the name here written in green color are available. So you do not need to reconfirm if they're available or not. All the colors written here in the green are available right now. Okay. So printfishing.com is available. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on .com. And as you can see, Google actually gives you insights of this domain now, which is very cool, which other name providers don't give. So that's why I use Google domain. Now as you can see, all the advantages that comes with this particular domain name. This name has popular ending.com, which we all know. This name is easy to pronounce and type when heard. Now this is the second advantage we have. The third advantage, the words in this name are spelled correctly. So Google AI helps you to find if the name is perfect for you and is grammatically correct and easy to pronounce, not too long, not too short. So I think Google domain is perfect when you are reconfirming your domain. And now all these good signs gave me that yes, this domain is a very good domain. I think it's a perfect for my imaginary print on demand fishing store, and I can use it. And this is the exact method I use for multiple stores I own and I use. And this is it, right? Just easy two-step nothing brainstorming, nothing complicated, right? A very easy method to find yourself a perfect name for your brand, because branding is very important, right? People usually don't give it so much importance when it comes to naming their store, but I personally feel that we should give the perfect name, the best name to a store when it comes to branding, right? Because branding starts with name. Come on, guys, right? So first step is a good domain. When you have a good domain, you are already one step closer to branding. So this is all for this video. If you or your friend is facing difficulties in finding a new domain name for your Shopify or any website, then share them this video, help them out knowing how to get a new domain with just simple 2 steps, right? On literally 2 steps, and that's pretty much it, nothing else, guys, right? If you like this video and found value in this video, then drop a like, share this video, comment down your views and what else software you use to generate names. And yeah, if you're new to channel, subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for joining me. Take care. Bye bye.